It's tough to say too much of anything about this laptop's performance knowing so little. But, with up to GTX 1070 graphics, we can expect the laptop to be able to handle 4K resolution in lower-end games, and likely around QHD+ 2560x1440 in AAA games. The keyboard included in the laptop was developed in tandem with SteelSeries, so expect deep travel and forceful feedback, not to mention advantageous lighting options. The touchpad feels just fine for general use, though we'd much rather see a click pad for interacting rather than buttons. As for capabilities, the laptop includes two USB 3.1 ports, one USB-C 3.1 port, HDMI out, a display port, an Ethernet port and dual audio jacks. Naturally, MSI isn't really talking battery life at the moment. While we know less about this gaming laptop than we'd like, we're hugely impressed by the lighting offering on this laptop, especially considering its esports and immersion implications. The GE63 Raider RGB could easily become a weapon of choice for pro gamers. However, the lighting is also huge for gamers that hate HUDs in their video games, detracting from the lush visuals. While we'll reserve full judgment for a full review, the MSI GE63 Raider RGB appears to embody what should make gaming laptops unique and, frankly, worth your money. Stay tuned for that full review later this year.